How to install APK files on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to download the APK files, it is not possible or it is not suitable for iOS or Apple users. It is generally for the Android users. So all you can do is go to the Chrome application or Chrome browser on your device and then tap on the search bar and search for any of the application. I'm just going to show you the example over here. So you can just search for any of the apps, like let me search for GTA APK download. Now the search for this application, you can see different options that is available for the APK download version. So you can just tap on any of these options over here. And as you do that, you can get the APK versions over here by tapping on the download option, and you'll be able to download the APK version, and you just have to tap on install and you'll be able to install the application via APK on your device. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.